Welcome guys to the very first episode of Starlet Fever. What we've got in store for you is some absolutely amazing stuff, especially if you're into the Jap scene. So here we've got 15 Starlets from runners to non-runners, absolute beasts of cars, just absolute beauties. You guys are obviously in Starlets, been to this channel, I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's go take a look around. Enjoyed that sneak preview, and like I said, it is a sneak preview. So what you can expect from us over the next few months is each one of these cars, you can see at the moment they're in pretty poor condition. We're going to be restoring each one by one back into showroom condition. They're going to be running better than ever before. We'll be taking them to the local shows where we get a chance to meet you guys and you guys can see the cars in person. So stick around, hit that like button, hit subscribe, because you guys will not want to miss what we can do to these. So over the last 2 days, what we've been doing is these two right here, they were at the beginning of the shed. We've got those ones out, we've had them cleaned. We've got them all polished up. We're just about to do the engine bay on this one. So you can find both specs for both cars right here. Now join me while I finish this car off. Thank you for joining us on our very first episode. If you've not already, hit like, hit subscribe. Please join us for the next episode where we're going to see another beauty come back to life. Stick around. Thank you.